Unlocking Financial Success – Introduction to Financial Literacy. Money, time, cars, luxuries, travel – it can all be yours with financial literacy. But hang on, it's not as easy as it sounds. And it will take hours of study and months, if not years of discipline to increase your income and reap these rewards. That's what school teaches us at least, but is it actually true? Today we are going to unveil the secrets that school didn't teach you about the real importance of financial literacy and how it can be used to achieve the freedom that you crave in your life. When it comes to financial education, the first thing that comes to mind for many of us is money. And we're not entirely wrong, but it's more than just that. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money more effectively. People with high levels of financial literacy know how to manage their money to achieve their short and long-term goals. They also understand issues such as risk management, investments, taxes, and other factors that affect their financial well-being. Whether you're starting out on your own or preparing a more secure future, improving your financial literacy is paramount to wealth generation and developing positive money habits that will serve you for the rest of your life. With that in mind, let's discuss some strategies most schools skip over to help you become more financially literate and achieve your life goals. Know your net worth. The first step to improving your financial literacy is to calculate your net worth, which is the sum of your assets minus the sum of your liabilities. Assets include things like your savings account, stocks, and other investments, while liabilities are what you owe, such as student loans or credit card debt. Calculating your net worth can help you determine how much money you need to save to reach your financial goals. Knowing your net worth is an important indicator for your financial health and the first step to improving your personal finances. Control your spending. Once you have calculated your net worth, the next step is to track your spending. This will help you identify where your money is going and give you an idea of where to make cuts. It can also help you create budgets for different aspects of your life, such as housing, food, and utilities. Most banks and credit unions offer free online budget trackers. If you are on a tight budget, you can also track your expenses using a spreadsheet or app. There are several methods for budgeting expenses, such as the envelope budget or the cash-based method. Whatever method you choose, be sure to track all of your expenses for at least a few months. This will give you a better idea of where your money is going and help you optimize budgets in the future. Create a budget. Now that you know exactly where your money is going, it's time to create realistic budgets. The 50-30-20 budget is a popular method where you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. For more specific or larger costs, you can create a debt repayment plan, which can help you decide a plan for your monthly income so that you can pay off your debts as quickly as possible. This is crucial for people with large student debt or medical debt. How much will you spend each month? How much will you save? What percentage of your income should go towards debt repayment? These are just some of the questions a budget will help you answer. There are many ways to create them, so choose the method that works best for you and your financial situation. Understand the impact of risk. As you learn more about your finances, you will likely come across the term risk. It is something you need to understand and be able to manage. But what is financial risk? It is the probability that something will happen that will affect your financial health. For example, you may decide to invest in stocks, which are riskier than other investments such as bonds. These riskier investments have the potential to earn you more money, but they can also lose you money just as quickly. Being able to understand and manage this risk helps you make better financial decisions in the short and long term that can lead to rapid but secure wealth generation. As Warren Buffett said, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Learn about investing. Now that you understand risk, it's time to learn about investing. Investing involves allocating capital to activities that generate cash flow, such as real estate and stocks. Investing involves some risk, but it can also be very profitable. When you're just starting out, it's smart to stick to low-risk investments, such as bonds and stocks of large, stable companies. As you get more financially literate, you can learn to read market trends and take calculated risks for larger payoffs. Many people forget to do this, but you can and should invest in yourself. Gaining new skills, knowledge, and experience will make you more valuable in the long run. So, what are the best investments? Simply put, the best investments are those you understand. If you don't understand an investment, don't put your money into it. Manage your credit. In the United States, credit is one of the most important markers of financial health and money management. It could mean the difference between living your dream or being financially trapped. Your credit card rating helps lenders decide whether to lend you money for mortgages, car loans, credit cards, business ventures, and more. Staying on top of your credit will save you time and give you much more financial freedom in the future. To easily build credit and reduce existing debt, apply for a credit card and pay it off monthly. Improve your credit score by paying on time and checking your credit card report frequently. Scores above 670 are good, and those above 740 are very good. The higher, the better. By starting early on the right track, you will build a strong financial foundation from which you can enjoy the benefits for years to come. A recent study showed that 72% of Americans are not financially secure. From rising living costs, education costs, and medical costs, many people feel like they're being priced out of America. Being financially literate can help combat these events and give you the opportunity to lead the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, knowledge is the ultimate form of wealth, and you can stay up to date with all the best financial information in our Financial Literacy series, where we talk you step by step to achieving financial freedom.